the Afghan Hound and Labrador Retriever dog breeds. Affadors are also sometimes known as the Afghan Lab. Vital stats: weight 50 to 75 pounds, height 20 to 29 inches, lifespan 10 to 12 years. Affenhuahua is a mixed breed dog, a cross between Chihuahua and Affenpinscher dog breeds. Affenhuahuas are also sometimes called Affen Kai. Vital stats: height 6 to 12 inches, weight 4 to 12 pounds, lifespan 13 to 18 years. Small, compact, and hardy, beagles are active companions for kids and adults alike. The Bichon Frise, pronounced Bichon Frise, the plural is Bikens Frises, is a cheerful, small dog breed with a love of mischief and a lot of love to give. Vital stats: height 9 to 11 inches tall at the shoulder, weight 7 to 12 pounds, lifespan 12 to 15 years. Dog breed companion dogs.